Hey guys, welcome back. Got some breaking news today we want to talk about. Jeff Bezos will be stepping down as the CEO of Amazon. He's back and forth with Elon Musk there for the world's richest man. They seem to be leapfrogging each other a little bit. Jeff Bezos is worth roughly $196 billion. But you know, after taxes, what can you really do with $196 billion? He founded Amazon in 1994, so he's been running Amazon for nearly about 27 years. That's a long time, starting as an online book retailer. Whoever thought Amazon would become what they are today? Not me. He's going to be replaced by Andy Jansen, who runs Amazon Web Services. Apparently, Bezos is going to move on to some other functions and positions. He's going to run some philanthropic organizations, get involved in charity and stuff, along with, you know, right along there with Bill Gates. And Bezos is going to be stepping into maybe supreme leader of hell. I don't know. I don't much care for the guy or the company, but Amazon's coming off of their most profitable year ever. They posted a $21.3 billion profit in 2020. Now that's just insane. I read alone that like the fourth quarter profit was $12.5 million. In a pandemic year when everybody else is struggling, that's just an amazing profit. Now, Amazon, you know, everybody thinks that Amazon, they're just a place you buy stuff online, but it is crazy what they're involved in. They've dipped into the grocery market by buying Whole Foods. They got approved to sell pharmaceutical drugs online. And something that a lot of people don't know is their web services and their technology platform. They don't just sell cheap Chinese crap online. The kind of information that they gather, they write analytics software, algorithms, stuff like that. They are masters at that, and they have large government contracts. They're in the freight business. They've made an effort to really put a stronghold on the freight business and freight brokerages. And I've always kind of wondered to myself, they tried to break up Microsoft for far less than that. They broke up AT&T for far less than that. Amazon is getting a stronghold on many different, you know, industries and, you know, supply chain stuff. And we're going to regret this someday. I'm telling you right now. I don't do business with Amazon. I will not buy anything from Amazon. I do have an Amazon link in the description below if you're going to buy something from Amazon. I'll take their money, but they're not getting a penny of my money. I won't even do business with them hauling freight for them. But yeah, beware Amazon. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, it's convenient to have things delivered right to your home and at a cheap price, but there's going to be a price to be paid for that. When all the retailers are gone, and you're going to be left with Walmart and, you know, Amazon, maybe a couple others, you just lost all your choice. Okay, people go on and on raving about big corporations. Well, Amazon's one of the biggest, so be as mad at Amazon as you are about every other big corporation that they tell us we should be mad at. Don't do business with them. Don't give them your money. They apparently have enough if Jeff Bezos has $196 billion. The thing that really turned me off to him was when they bought Whole Foods and took away everybody's health insurance. They said that that the amount of money that the health insurance cost for the Whole Food workers was equal to about 6 hours of profits for the company. 6 hours. You telling me that they couldn't sacrifice 6 hours of companies' earnings to provide health insurance for their, you know, to keep the health insurance that they had for their workers? Really turned me off. Anyway, we'll see what happens with the new CEO coming from Amazon Web Services. Who knows which direction they'll take the company? But one thing's for sure, they're going to be more deeply entrenched in your life eventually than you want them to be, and everybody's going to look back one day and wonder what happened. So we have a choice now. Let's not let that happen. Everybody take care. We'll see you next time.